Hi friends, welcome to GK and Current Affairs Learning Tricks. Today we are going to discuss current affairs of May 6, 2021. Top 15 questions with answers. Questions can be asked in all competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Bank, UPSC, etc. First question. Name the former Union Minister who passed away recently. Answer. Ajit Singh. Chaudhary Ajit Singh, 82 years old, Rashtriya Lok Dal chief and former Union Minister, passed away at a private hospital in Gurugram on Thursday morning. His son Jayat Chaudhary confirmed. Second question. Who has been awarded with UNESCO Guillermo Cano World Press Freedom Prize 2021? Answer. Maria Ressa. Maria Ressa has been named as the 2021 Lecturer of the UNESCO Guillermo Cano World Press Freedom Prize. The $25,000 prize recognizes the outstanding contribution to the defense or promotion of press freedom, especially in the face of danger, according to UNESCO. Third question. What is the original name of shooter Dadi who passed away recently? Answer. Chandru Tomar. Octogenarian shooter Chandru Tomar, nicknamed Shooter Dadi, died on Friday after battling COVID-19. She was 89 years old. Fourth question. Who is the author of Whereabouts? Answer. Jhumpa Lahiri. After nearly a decade, Jhumpa Lahiri returned to the terrain of fiction with Whereabouts. Fifth question. Which bank has imposed a monetary penalty of Rs 3 crore on ICICI Bank? Answer. Reserve Bank of India. A penalty of 3 crore has been imposed on ICICI Bank Limited for contravention of certain directions, the Reserve Bank of India said on Monday. Sixth question. Name the operation launched by armed forces to aid anti-COVID-19 efforts. Answer. Kojit. Seventh question. Which government has announced to provide Rs 5,000 to every taxi auto drivers? Answer. Delhi government. As the national capital fights the COVID-19 second wave, the Delhi government has decided to extend financial assistance of Rs 5,000 to auto rickshaw and taxi drivers to help them tide over the COVID-19 crisis. Eighth question. Which IT company became the India's third largest IT company recently? Answer. Wipro. Wipro regained its position as the third largest IT services company by market capitalization of 2.65 trillion by suppressing HCL Technologies Rs 2.62 trillion market cap. Ninth question. Which space agency successfully launched Starship prototype SN-15? Answer. SpaceX. 10th question. What is the name of the world's first intelligence ship without captain? Answer. Mayflower 400. A team of researchers from Marine Research Organization Promare with IBM acting as technology partner recently built the world's first intelligence ship known as Mayflower 400. 11th question. Which armed force has planned to set up 100-bed COVID-19 care facility in Bangalore? Answer. Indian Air Force. With COVID-19 cases rising in Bangalore, the Indian Air Force has decided to establish a 100-bed COVID-19 treatment facility at its Air Force Station in Jalahalli. 12th question. Where is the oldest human burial site situated, which was found recently? Answer. Africa. Archaeologists have discovered the oldest human burial in Africa that offers insight into 78,000 year old burial practices, according to a new study published on May 5, 2021 in the journal Nature. 13th question. Who inaugurated the Atal Bihari Vajpayee Hospital in Lucknow? Answer: Yogi Adityanath. The Atal Bihari Vajpayee COVID-19 hospital, set up by Defence Research and Development Organization here, has been made functional, an official statement said on Wednesday. The 14th question. Which company has introduced Vaccine Finder tool in India? Answer: Facebook. It is used to help people to identify places nearby to get vaccinated. 15th question. Which company has signed an MOU with Rolls-Royce? Answer: Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. HAL and Rolls-Royce has signed an MOU to establish packaging, installation, marketing and services support for Rolls-Royce MT-30 marine engines in India.